হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আশা সাকসেস একাডেমির ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের স্বাগত জানাই। যদি তুমি সাবস্ক্রাইব না করে থাকো তাহলে তাড়াতাড়ি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে ফেলো এবং পাশের বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে ফেলো, যাতে আগামীতে তোমরা আরও ভিডিও দেখতে পাও। আজও আমরা আগের মতো 30টি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রশ্ন নিয়ে আলোচনা করব এবং চাকরি পাওয়ার লক্ষ্যে আরও একটু পদক্ষেপ এগিয়ে যাব। তাহলে চলো আজকের লেসন শুরু করা যাক। আজকে 30টি প্রশ্নের মধ্যে প্রথম প্রশ্ন হলো, question number 1, where will you and disclosures in a letter? Both below the signature and the right side margin. Option B, below the signature and the left side margin. C, above the signature and the right side margin. Option D, all of the above. Right answer should be option B, below the signature and the left side margin. Next question, while writing a notice, the writer should prefer active voice, B, passive voice, C, any voice, D, none of these. Right answer should be passive voice, option B. Learning a language is a, option A, gradual process, option B, fast process, option C, instant process, option D, all inclusive process. Right answer should be option A, gradual process. Next question, register. Register is, option A, variety of language according to region in a particular country. Option B, variety of language according to countries. Option C, any of these. Option D, none of these. Right answer should be option A, variety of language according to region in a particular country. Question number 5, phonetics is basically associated with A, sound, B, sentences, C, grammar, D, all of these. Right answer option A, sound. Next question, M, sound in the word make is, option A, labiodental, option B, dental, option C, bilabial, option D, alveolar. Right answer should be option C, bilabial. এই bilabial, হোয়াট ইজ bilabial, এটা নেক্সট ভিডিওতে আমরা ডিসকাস করে দেব। Question number 7, remedial teaching. What is remedial teaching? Option A, fills the gap that creeps into a pupil's learning. Option B, rectifies the concept which have been misunderstood. Option C, helps on retaining homogeneity in the class. Option D, all of these. Right answer should be option D, all of these. অপশান এটাও হবে, বি, সি তিনটেই। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন, আইডেন্টিফাই দ্য কারেক্ট প্যাসিভ ভয়েস অফ দ্য সেন্টেন্স ওবে মি। অপশান এ, I should be obeyed. Option B, let be obeyed. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Right answer should be option A, I should be obeyed. Question number 9, find the word nearest in meaning to remorse রিমোটসের নিয়ারেস্ট মিনিং কোনটি হবে? এ অবডুরেট, অপশান বি হার্ড, অপশান সি পেনিটেন্ট, অপশান ডি নান অফ দিস। রাইট অ্যান্সার শুড বি অপশান সি পেনিটেন্ট। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন, find the word opposite in meaning to insipid. Option A impalatable, option B bland, option C tame, option D savory. Right answer should be option B bland. Which of the following organs of speech is also known as velum? Option A hard palate, option B voice box, option C alveolar ridge, option D soft palate. Right answer should be option D soft palate. Next question, find the appropriate preposition to fill in the sentence. She lives dash Mumbai. She lives আমরা সবাই জানি in Mumbai. The right answer option B in. Next question, the major difference between article and speech. স্পিচ এবং আর্টিকেলের সবথেকে বড় পার্থক্য কোনটি বা সবথেকে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ পার্থক্য কোনটি? Option A speech is more formal, option B speech is more informal, option C speech is more descriptive, option D all of these. Right answer should be option B speech is more informal. Question number 14, prediction as a sub-skill is associated with drafting, summarizing, note making, reading. Right answer should be option D reading. Question number 15, minimal pairs are usually used to give practice in option A reading, option B vocabulary, option C structures, option D pronunciation. Right answer should be option C structures. Question number 16, when a teacher uses lessons in science and social science to teach language, such an approach can be termed as option A objective language teaching, option B pluralistic language teaching, option C discipline wise language teaching, option D language across the curriculum. Right answer should be option D language across the curriculum. Question number 17, language skill should be taught option A through imitation, option B in isolation, option C through clear explanation, option D in an integrated manner. Option D is the right answer, in an integrated manner. Question number 18, remedial teaching refers to option A to test learners periodically, option B to address gaps in learning, option C after the regular school hours, option D to help bright learners to excel. Right answer should be option B to address gaps in learning. Question number 19, A teacher gives many sentences and asks her student to arrange them into a letter using appropriate connectors. The skill then is chiefly involved in this task is option A, collecting information, option B, expanding notes, option C, organizing, option D, rewriting. Right answer should be option C, organizing. Question number 20. After reading a story on fish, if a teacher asks children to answer, imagine you are a fish in a pond. What do you see around you? This is an example of option A, comprehensive question, option B, closed type question, option C, open-ended question, option D, multiple choice question. Right answer should be option C, open-ended question. Question number 21. He did not lend me the newspaper because he was going dash it. Option A, over, option B, through, option C, about, option D, none of these. Right answer should be option B, through. He did not lend me the newspaper because he was going through it. Question number 22. For want of sufficient funds, your new project is likely to fall dash. Option A, out, option B, through, option C, under, option D, in. Right answer should be option B, through. For want of sufficient funds, your new project is likely to fall through. Next question, question number 23. How have you come dash such a precious diamond? Option A, across, option B, upon, option C, by, option D, from. Right answer should be option C, by. How have you come by such a precious diamond? Next question, question number 24. The clown was being laughed at by them. Option A, they were laughing at the clown. Option B, they were laughing on the clown. Option C, they laughed at the clown. Option D, the clown was laughed at by them. এটি দেওয়া আছে ভয়েস চেঞ্জ করতে। রাইট আনসার হবে অপশন এ, দে ওয়ার লাফিং অ্যাট দ্য ক্লাউন। এটা প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে ছিল, অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েসে করতে হলো। Question number 25. I saw him leaving the house. Option A, he had been seen leaving the house. Option B, he was seen to be leaving the house. Option C, leaving the house he was seen by me. Option D, he was seen leaving the house by me. Right answer should be option D, he was seen leaving the house by me. এটাও ছিল ভয়েস চেঞ্জ। Question number 26. These essays are intellectually dash and represent various levels of complexity. এটা হচ্ছে সেন্টেন্স কমপ্লিশন বা fill in the blanks যে কোনো কিছু বলতে পারো। অপশান রিভেলিং, অপশান বি মডার্ন, অপশান সি সুপিরিয়র, অপশান ডি ডিম্যান্ডিং। রাইট অ্যান্সার শুড বি অপশান সি superior. These essays are intellectually superior and represent various levels of complexity. Question number 27. The soldiers were instructed to dash restraint and handle the situation peacefully. Option A, exercise. Option B, control. Option C, prevent. Option D, enforce. Right answer should be option A, exercise. The soldiers were instructed to exercise restraint and handle the situation peacefully. Question number 28. To perform this experiment, drop little sugar into a glass of water. Find the error. কোথায় ভুল আছে এখানে আমাকে বের করতে হবে। বুঝতেই পারছো এখানে এই যে লেখা আছে বি পার্টে ড্রপ লিটল সুগার, এখানে লিটলের আগে একটা এ বসাতে হবে। অ্যাড এ বিফোর লিটল, অ্যাড এ বসাতে হবে একটা, এ লিটল যাতে হয়, তাহলে হবে টু পারফর্ম দিস এক্সপেরিমেন্ট ড্রপ এ লিটল সুগার ইনটু এ গ্লাস অফ ওয়াটার। ওকে, question number 29. To have brush with, idioms eta. Option A, to start painting. Option B, to have good and pleasing terms. Option C, to be impressed. Option D, to have a slight encounter. Right answer should be option D, to have a slight encounter. Last question, question number 30. To keep the wolf away from the doors, এটাও idioms. Option A, to keep away from extreme poverty. Option B, to keep off an unwanted and undesirable person. Option C, to keep alive. Option D, to hold the difficulties and dangers in check. Right answer should be option A, to keep away from extreme poverty. আজকের 30টা কোয়েশ্চেন আলোচনা করা হয়ে গেল। ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে আপনারা সকলে শেয়ার করুন, বন্ধুদের মধ্যে লাইক করুন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, যাতে আমরা ভবিষ্যতে আরও ভিডিও আপনাদের কাছে নিয়ে আসতে পারি। তার জন্য আমাদের সহায়তা করুন। ধন্যবাদ।